Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back to our channel. So for today's video tutorial, I'll be teaching you on how to get a 1000 followers on your Instagram in just 2 minutes. So to start, we'll have to go first on the socialbooster.com. So let's type here social booster. Let's scroll down and look for this social booster option. And then here you'll see all the social media accounts that you want to boost your followers. So as for me, I'm gonna click on Instagram and then choose followers. And then here, the very important one, let's paste my link, my Instagram link. After pasting your link, just go ahead and click on the order option. And then here you will be redirected to the payment option. Just complete the questions here, and then after completing the question, just click on the pay option. And then after doing that, wait for at least 5 to 10 minutes and you'll receive your 1000 followers. So that's how easy you can get 1000 followers on Instagram. I hope this video helped you out, and if you have any comments or questions, please do comment it down below. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will always be updated with our new uploads. Thank you, and I'll see you on our next video.